Another restore. Kind of nice to see this design house. You don't see these in white and brass very often. Here's a small one. There's a camera up there. Let's go see what these are over here. I'm sure that music's gonna get me flagged. It's pretty loud. Heritage crap. Yeah, these are terrible. Oh, this is nice. Nice F-52 here. Yep, it's got cam blades on the other side. Seems kind of stiff. It's not spinning very freely. Okay, I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, this is new since the last time I've been here. They hung up a fan in the bathroom. It's running in reverse. Obviously it was out for sale. It's got a price sticker on it. Looks like they just, no, that fluorescent light's still lit. They just have this as well. So that's kind of funny.